truth about the way we tied it loose ends up on top.